Homemade kimchi fried rice with tuna, easy Korean recipe. Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to Multi Recipes and Cookeries channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Korean cuisine with a delicious twist on a classic, homemade kimchi fried rice with tuna. This savory and spicy dish is not only a flavor explosion but also a quick and easy recipe you can whip up at home. So, let's get started. To make this delectable kimchi fried rice with tuna, you'll need the following ingredients. 2 cups cooked rice, preferably a day old. 1 can of tuna, drained. 1 cup kimchi, chopped. 3 green onions, finely chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil for frying. Optional, fried egg for topping. Before we start, make sure your rice is cooked and cooled, and your tuna is drained. Now, let's dive into the cooking process. 1. Sauté aromatics. In a large pan or wok over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Once heated, add minced garlic and chopped green onions. Sauté until aromatic, and the green onions become tender. 2. Incorporate kimchi. Now, add the star of the show, our chopped kimchi. Stir it into the aromatics, letting the flavors meld together. The kimchi will bring a spicy and tangy kick to our fried rice. 3. Add tuna. Next, gently fold in the drained tuna. This adds a protein boost and a rich umami flavor to our dish. Mix it well with the other ingredients in the pan. 4. Rice and seasoning. Now, add our pre-cooked rice to the pan. Break up any clumps and ensure that the rice is well mixed with the other ingredients. Drizzle in soy sauce, sesame oil, and a touch of sugar for that perfect balance of flavors. 5. Fry and finish. Increase the heat to medium-high and stir-fry the mixture for a few minutes until everything is well incorporated. The rice should start to get a slightly crispy texture. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed.